Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Farms. Time for another episode of the Poor Man's Cookbook. Tonight, we really are eating poor. What we've got here is the Bremer's gravy with Salisbury steak. You notice they put the gravy first. That's because there's far more gravy in here than there is Salisbury steak. But that's okay. It's not a healthy meal, I would say. It's got only 7 carbs in it, which is nice, but it does have 600 milligrams, which is 25% of your daily dose for one patty, so you can double that and you have 50% of your daily dose right here. This is not going to be a perfect meal by itself, so I'm going to throw this in the microwave here in a second. And we're also going to make some instant mashed potatoes to put with the gravy. And since it's green bean season here on the farm, I've gone ahead and picked myself enough green beans for dinner. Now, this whole meal, start to finish, cost far less than $10. I think I paid $3.99 for this, which is still a bargain here in 2025. And this was, I think, $4 or $5.99, and of course it lasts. It's a 1 pound, 10 ounce box. That stuff lasts forever. In fact, it expired in 2021, but I'm still eating it. Here's what it looks like out of the box, frozen solid, as you can see. And let's go ahead and read the instructions. We'll get this going. I know this takes far longer than the rest of this is going to take. In the microwave is how we're cooking this. Microwave on high for 10 minutes. And it says do peel 1 corner to vent. So we'll do that. And we'll get that going right now for 10 minutes. Cool. And while that is cooking, we'll just kill some time. Once the first 10 minutes are up, we're going to be cooking, I think, for another 8 or 9 minutes. Let's see here. Yeah, stir it up and cook 7 to 8 minutes until it is done. Once we put it back in for the 7 minutes, it'll be time to start on our mashed potatoes. Now, if you've never had instant mashed potatoes, you're really missing out. I grow potatoes. They're good. And they're great for certain things, but every once in a while, I just like it easy. And these are pretty easy. Matter of fact, you can't get much easier. What I've gone ahead and done is pre-mixed the stuff that it's going to need. I can't really show that to you because it'll spill all over the floor, but take my word for it. In here is 3/4 of a cup of water, 1/3 of a cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of butter. And I am going to put a dash of salt in here, even though the whole meal is kind of salty. I do like my stuff to have some salt. The way this is cooked, I do this on the stovetop. Heat up the water, the butter, and the milk, and you heat this up in the saucepan. Once it starts to boil, you take it off, you stir in the potato flakes, you spin it up real good, and that's it. That's all there is to it. So boil water, stuff in 3/4 of a cup of our flaked, freeze-dried potatoes, and we're good to go. As far as the green beans go, again, I'll turn that on after we get this out and start it back up again. And I'll cook it, I don't know, probably at level 2 or 3. Of course, every stove's going to be different, but I'm going to cook it at 2 or 3 until we get ourselves some the butter is going to melt and all the rest. And I don't want to char on that or anything, just enough to soften them up a bit. All right, let's pause the camera. We'll wait for this to finish and we'll take a look at it. Well, it's almost done, and when it is done, I'll pull it out. I'm going to show it to you, and then we're going to throw it back in, and I'll start showing you how I cook all this up as well. It's not a difficult meal to make by any means. The thing I wanted to share with you is that you're talking about feeding a family of 4 for less than $10. In fact, I think it comes in at like 7. That's 2 patties each for the adults, 1 patty each for the kids. Everybody gets a good pile of mashed potatoes, and if you have green beans or a can of green beans less than $1 if you have to buy them, that's not bad compared to a lot of meals these days. You can't get a pizza for less than $10 now. Well, 4 seconds to go. Let's take a look at this thing. All right, well, here it is. And the instructions say to peel back the cover and to stir it up, like if you find frozen. I still see some frozen stuff. So we're going to just kind of change that around. We'll throw those upside down. We'll move this around. And it's just really kind of stirring it up. And you can see there is a lot of gravy and not a ton of meat. If you were to just buy this and just expect to have this as a meal, you would probably be very disappointed. And you could probably sit here and eat all 6 of these patties and really not fill up. All right, let me throw that back in the microwave for another 8 minutes. And while that's going, let's go ahead and start our green beans and boil our mashed potato mix. This won't take long, at least it shouldn't. All right, once the mixture here starts to boil, and it has, We're going to go ahead and turn that off, and we quickly add in our flakes. Give that a stir, and then we're going to stir this up real well. And if it's too thin, you can always add a few more flakes. If it's too thick, you can always add a little more water. Hot or cold, it won't matter. This came out just about the consistency you would want. You see in there? In fact, that's about perfect. Nice. Okay, set that off. Let these cook under low heat for the next 3 minutes, and it's time to eat. All right, well, I've got the green beans done and the potatoes done, and about a minute to go on this. We'll get it plated up, and we'll take a little bite here to wrap it up. I need you to do something for me. Let me know if there's more of this that you want to see. I enjoy these cookbook series, the Poor Man's Cookbook series, and I haven't made one in like a year and a half just because, I don't know, maybe you guys get it, maybe you guys don't. I think it's kind of fun to do this stuff. I don't know how to cook very well, but I love sharing what little I know with the rest of you. If you're a confirmed bachelor or someone like me who is currently playing bachelor while his wife is out of town, these are the kind of meals you can expect to make on a budget. I hate wasting money, so this is a good way to stretch a dollar as well. 30 seconds to go. We'll get it out. We'll put it on the table. All right. Well, here it is. Wow. And it looks hot. Whoop, it is hot. Okay, we'll put that there. Take the cover off that, let it vent for a minute. It's boiling. Wow. We'll get that out of the way. All right, and we'll just go ahead and divvy up a small plate here. Some green beans on here. And the rest of these will be leftovers since I'm eating for myself tonight. All right, we'll take a big hunk of potatoes. And we'll give it a nice divot so we can put our gravy in there. And lastly, we're going to get 2 of these patties out. And they're not as thick as they used to be, I can tell you that. They used to be, you can see right there, they used to be a whole lot thicker. But that's the way it is. Weight-wise, the weight is the same. So they've just probably thinned it out and added a lot more gravy to it, which is kind of wasteful, but you know, what do you expect these days? Manufacturers, all businesses, they're just, seems like they're having to screw people harder and harder just to make it work. All right, slide this out of the way. And we'll make that the center of attention for a moment. There it is. Not bad for about a $7 meal. Of course, that's for 3 or 4. This portion right here, you can count that as a $3 meal. That's a whole lot better for you probably than a McDonald's meal, and a whole lot more filling. Let's try it out. All right, well, here it is. Go ahead. We'll start with the meat. Yeah, if you've ever had Salisbury steak out of a TV dinner, then you know what to expect with that. The gravy on the mashed potatoes. Now that's a hit. That's good. Nice and hot. Rounded out with a fresh green bean. It sounds like we got ourselves a winner. Well, that'll do it for today, my friends. Another episode of the Poor Man's Cookbook. Salisbury steak, mashed potatoes, and green beans. Till next time, my friends.